Natalie, and hi again, everybody. Yesterday, we heard amazing technical and sales presentations about the strategy of SolidCAM 2021, how SolidCAM GmbH beat the competition in the German market, the new and enhanced modules of SolidCAM 2021, and we even heard an interesting lecture about the end of procrastination.
Just so you know, whoever missed a lecture yesterday can see it later in our website on YouTube. Linda, our next presenter is Ahmad Onkar, who will give a fascinating presentation about simultaneous 5-axis in SolidCAM 2021. I really hope that everybody saw his interesting presentation yesterday about our powerful features of Mill3D and Turbo HSM.
I agree with you, but I just want to say a few words about Ahmad. To whoever missed his presentation yesterday, Ahmad has been with us for over 15 years. All this time, he has been pushing SolidCAM to become #1 in India. He is the SolidCAM India country manager and the SolidCAM product manager of Mill3D and simultaneous 5-axis.
Wow, with all these responsibilities, I wonder if he ever rests.
I really doubt that. But then again, he loves what he does, and he does it so well.
So Ahmad, the stage is yours.
The power of simultaneous 5-axis in SolidCAM 2021.